Hello students, welcome to the online English class. Well, my name is Teacher Watana and today you are going to learn English with me. Well, before we get started, can you please tell me how are you? Okay, I hope you are fine and enjoy learning online at home. Well, students, today we have a very interesting topic because today we are going to learn about how to use modal verbs. Okay, so we are going to focus on can, could, can't, and couldn't. Do you know how to use them? Or do you know their definitions? Yes or no? All right, no problem. So let's move to the next page. On this page, we are going to learn about the definition of can and could. Okay, so remember the only different thing between can and could is the timeline platform. Let's take a look at the meaning of can. Can means the ability to do something in the present, while could means the ability to do something in the past. If you are able to do something in the present, so you have to use can. But if we are talking about the action that has been done, we use could. Okay, so for more understanding, let me show you some example of how to use can. I can swim fast. She can drive a car. They can speak English very well. So all these actions happen in the present time. That's why we use can. Okay, so for the examples of how to use could, remember we use could for the action in the past time. He could eat 5 slices of pizza last week. I could ride a bicycle when I was 7. We could swim in the canal last year. So all this action already gone or has been done. So that's why we use could. Okay, students, I think it's easy for you, right? Okay, now we move to the next page. On this page, we are talking about the negative form, okay? So we are going to learn about can't and couldn't. Well, can't means the inability to do something in the present, while couldn't means the inability to do something in the past. Remember, ability for can and could, inability for can't and couldn't. So let me show you another example of how to use can't. I can't remember his name. She can run fast. We can speak French. All this action is talking about in the present time, even they're a negative form. Well, let's take a look more example of how to use couldn't. I couldn't sing yesterday. She couldn't eat a lot last week. He couldn't swim when he was 10. So all these action talking about the past time and all these action have been done. Okay, so easy, right? Okay, so I don't think it's difficult for you. You can learn it easily. Now, let's take a look at a very special thing. On this page, we are going to learn how to combine can and could in a single sentence, or we can say compound sentence. Okay, so I couldn't swim when I was 10, but now I can. So you can see obviously in one sentence, okay, the first part and the second part is contrasting because in the first part it says I couldn't swim when I was 10, but now I can. And for the next example, last year she couldn't drive, but now she can. And the last one, he could play tennis yesterday, but today he can. So this is how we mix can and could in a single sentence, all right? Or we can say combination of can and could. Okay, students. So remember, if you have any question about today's class, all right, you can text me or you can ask me, okay? No problem, and don't worry about that. Exercise for today, I want you to do some exercise in the student book, page number 6 and section number 2. Remember, you have to draw the lines, okay, for the correct answer. Okay, so can, could, can't, and couldn't. So this is the topic for the exercise. Okay, students, remember the exercise is not difficult. Okay, so anyway, thank you so much for joining the class today. I hope you enjoyed the class. And remember, if you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask me. Thank you for now and have a good day. Bye bye.